Following on from last week, this week's task is to produce a cornflake box state machine sensor. On the left-hand side, you have your inputs, your clock, and your alarm. In the center, you have your outputs. And on the right-hand side, you have your state machine diagram. Starting in our initial state of no box 0, 0. Given a 0, 0, we should stay in the state of no box when the clock is pulsed. The only other state we can move from here to a good box is where A is 1 and B is 0. When the clock is pulsed, you produce an output of 1, 0. You have a 1, 0 here, and the alarm is inactive. From here, we can only move back to no box, which is an A and 0 and a B, where B is a 0. When the clock is pulsed, we move back to no box. From here, we can move to bad box, where A is a 1 and B is a 1. When the clock is pulsed, you produce where A is a 0 and B is a 1. You produce an output of 1, 1 on the outputs, and the alarm is activated. From here, we can only move out of bad box when a good box comes along. Therefore, A has to be a 1 and B has to be a 0. When we pulse the clock, you get a 1, 0 on the output where you've moved to a good box and the alarm is now inactive. From here, the only way you can move out of good is a 0 and a 0. When the clock is pulsed, you've moved back to your initial state.